Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. You've probably heard about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but what exactly is cryptocurrency and why is it such a big deal? Let's break it down, explore its key features, and take a look at some of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there. So, what is cryptocurrency? Simply, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like rupees, dollars, or euros, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology through computers. Alright, let's talk about the key features that make cryptocurrencies unique. Most cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network, which means there's no central authority like a bank or government controlling it. Instead, transactions are verified by a network of computers known as nodes through a process called consensus. Cryptocurrencies use cryptographic technologies to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This makes it very difficult to counterfeit or double-spend coins. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. This ledger is visible to anyone and helps ensure that transactions are transparent and verifiable. While transactions are transparent, the identities of the people involved are typically pseudonymous. This means you can see the transaction details, but you might need to learn the actual identities behind the wallets. Many cryptocurrencies have a capped supply. For example, Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins, which can help create scarcity and increase value over time. Cryptocurrencies can be accessed and used from anywhere worldwide, making them a powerful tool for international transactions and financial inclusion. Now that we've covered the basics, let's look at some popular cryptocurrencies you might have heard of. The first one is popular, that is Bitcoin, also known as BTC. The pioneer of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It's often referred to as digital gold and is used both as a store of value and a medium of exchange. The second one is Ethereum, also known as ETH. Launched in 2015, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, which means self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. It's more than just a currency. It's a platform for decentralized applications. Next is Binance Coin, also known as BNB. Created as a utility token for the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, BNB has grown into a versatile coin used for trading fees, token sales, and more. The fourth one is Ripple, also known as XRP. Ripple aims to facilitate fast and low-cost international money transfers. Its technology is used by several financial institutions to streamline cross-border transactions. And the last one is Litecoin. Litecoin is a decentralized online cryptocurrency. It can be used to purchase services and products. It is a peer-to-peer, also known as P2P cryptocurrency. So, let's summarize. At its core, cryptocurrency is typically decentralized digital money designed to be used over the internet. The advantages of cryptocurrencies include cheaper and faster money transfers and decentralized systems that do not collapse at a single point of failure. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that button and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.